Hello, Chef here. Baby greens. I like baby greens. I'd like to see if you can identify all of these baby greens. They got all kinds of different things going on here. I'll give you a little clue. This one we call frisee, and this one we call baby red chard, and this is curly leaf lettuce. There's a few other ones in here. Leave a comment if you know all the mixture that goes in mesclun greens or baby greens. And I thought I would just share with you what I'm making today. I've got a few things going on, and follow along. We're gonna make a quick smoothie. Okay, for today's smoothie, I've got bananas. I eat a lot of bananas. I love them. They're really good for you. They're high in potassium, a bunch of different minerals. I like them. You should be liking them too. Well, we got a lot of bananas going on, getting very ripe here. So let's put two of these babies in, and you want to definitely select nice, sweet bananas, not too green, not too ripe. Here we go. Okay, I got two bananas in there. I'm gonna put about a half a cup of water. Got to have some water to get it all going good. Today I got an interesting combination. All kinds of different things going on. I got a little bit of orange juice. Gonna make it tropical. Got a little bit of carrot juice. Carrots are good for your eyes, you know that. Okay. I got a couple scoops of ice cream, just vanilla today. And when I use vanilla ice cream, I like the good stuff. So buy the best ice cream you can find and then fortify it with pure vanilla. This is Tahitian. I really like it. We're gonna put about a half a teaspoon of Tahitian vanilla in there. And we're going to get this started up here. Oh yeah, it's already looking good, but we got some more stuff. This is a power shake here. Blueberries, really good for your health. Pear, they're in season right now. Watch the other videos and you'll learn more about pears. And as well, I've got some of these power greens going in there. Yeah. Oh, look at this. This is gonna be good. This is gonna be healthy. That's looking good right there. Yeah, would you drink this? Please leave a comment. One more thing. I like protein powder. This is whey protein powder, and right there I've got about, let me see, 50 grams of protein powder. Good stuff, good for you. And wow, it's gonna go down nice and easy. Okay, I've got a mug here. I'm going to show you exactly what's going on and give you my thoughts here on this. Give you my thoughts on this shake. Oh yeah. Wow! Try it out. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Oh, that's going to be good. And don't forget, the julienne carrots were made on the mandolin. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. Walnut end grain. This is getting a little bit dry. Time to oil it again. So I'm going to be using two products today. I thought I'd share them with you as I oil this end grain rock maple butcher block. So the first one is let me see. The first one is my standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it. Second one is the board cream. Okay, board cream, good stuff. So you notice they're different. The board cream's a little bit thicker. You actually have to squeeze it pretty good to get it out of the package. And the oil is a little thinner, so it pours out easier. So I actually take and mix the two together. I'm going to put a little bit of my mixture on the block like this, right here. Just like that. And I'm going to work it in plastic bag here, a little swirl motion like this. Okay, work it in real good. If your block's really dry, it's going to suck that oil right up. This particular block has not been oiled in a while, so it's sucking it right up really quick. You can see that. It's penetrating. Yeah. That is the video. If you need the products, your sponsors got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight and it'll be totally dry by morning. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. American made blended rock maple. American made dark walnut. Custom islands, all shapes and sizes.